In this video, we're going to create an apparel attribute set in Magento 2. We'll start by navigating to Attribute Set, we'll click Add Attribute Set and enter Apparel for the name. It'll be based on the default attribute set, and we'll click Save. We'll add the color attribute to the current attributes, and we'll have to add a size attribute. So we'll save the attribute set, create the size attribute, and come back to the apparel attribute set. So we have our new attribute set. We'll go to Add Attribute Product, or Add Product Attribute. Call it Size. It'll be a drop-down. And we'll enter our options: small, medium, large, extra large, and double extra large. We'll leave the labels as is. We will display this attribute in the layered navigation, and we will also allow users to filter the search results by this attribute. We'll also enable this attribute for use in promo rules, and we'll save the attribute. Now back to the apparel attribute set to add size to it. We drag size over to the rest of the attributes and click Save to save the apparel attribute set. Now the apparel attribute set is ready to be used for adding new apparel products.